Welcome to the fourth chapter, required Git of module 2, that is environment setup. In this chapter, we will see what exactly Git is, what are some features of the Git, how do you install the Git, what are the different areas of the Git, how do you deal with those areas, how do you create the repository, how do you clone the repository, few basic Git commands, then how do you integrate Git and the VS Code, how VS Code and Git are working together, what is a branching, how do you create the different branches, then we will see how do you resolve the conflicts, what are the conflicts and resolving the conflicts, an introduction to the hooks, what do you mean by hooks, these things we will see in this chapter. Let's meet in the next session and we'll start what do you mean by Git exactly. Thank you.